My name is Kimber Weedle, and this is my introduction video to EDL 850 School Law. Personal demographics. I have been married for 4 years. I grew up in Great Bend, Kansas, but now I live in Gower, Missouri. I have taught 6th grade math for about 5 years at Riverside USD 114. That is in Elwood and Bothell, Kansas. We are a combined school. It's right outside of St. Joe, Missouri. We're right on the line. I also coach 8th grade volleyball and 8th grade basketball. I am also on the sit team at the school as well. I graduated from Fort Hays University with an elementary education degree, and I have my endorsement in middle school math. For my critical reflection of administration, so when it comes to the rules and the laws, we go over school safety, so like the fire drills, tornado drills, and the intruder drills. This year we just got training on the ALICE training. This is where you either flight, you attack, you hide, anything like that. So we went through the whole actual intruder type of thing in our school. We also follow the IEP rules. My administrator really knows the IEP rules. If I feel like something is not being followed, he makes sure that everything is adjusted. We always go through bloodborne pathogens and the suicide prevention training at the beginning of the school year. And we also got a lot of training this year about mandated reporters. That's every teacher, everybody in the building pretty much is a mandated reporter. The critiques. So what I know about school laws, I feel like I'm still a little rusty on it, but I do know the IEP and the 504s. Being on the SIT team, I make sure I know those type of laws. I do know like the medication at the schools. The kids are supposed to go to the nurse for anything medicated, and as a coach, I either have to get like a verbal consent or a written note from the parent that I can give them any medication that I need to. I also have to have a form that says I can take the kids to the emergency room while we are away on some of the games. I also know the truancy laws. I don't feel like our school kind of follows that the best that they possibly could, but I do know that the truancy, and I know a little bit about that. I feel like my knowledge of school law could induce. My plan is to growing my knowledge about school law is to talk to my administration. My principal is really awesome and supportive with me getting my master's. I could talk to my coworkers. I have a lot of coworkers who have already gotten this degree and have gone through the programs, and so they're willing to help as I go through. And also learning from classmates. I know that a lot of times being able to bounce ideas off of somebody or anything like that really helps with education. With being a math teacher, I know that sometimes learning from your peers is a little bit easier. So that is all about me. Thank you.